We will show you a quick way to edit the student's profile in an online LMS. In this video, we will show you how to edit students' profile in Tabschool in just a few clicks. By editing the profile, one can easily update or remove errors in profile and make data error-free, which helps teachers to understand the student's subject of interest and its skills toward the subject. Let us begin editing students' profile in the Tabschool. Just go to the Tabschool and sign in with your login credentials. Now, you will be able to see the dashboard of your institute. On the left-hand side, there is a menu bar. Click on the Students option. After this, the Students page will appear. Here you will see a list of all the students. On the right, you will see a pencil icon which indicates an edit option. Just click on the edit option and update all the information. After filling, save all the data and profile will be edited. So, here it's done.